You're welcome again to our channel, Physics Calculation Center. In our last video, we saw the equations of motion. So today we are going to be employing those formulas in calculation. Let's start with this example. A body accelerates. A body accelerates uniformly from rest. Uniformly from rest. A body accelerates uniformly from rest at the rate of 3 meters per second square. For 8 seconds. Calculate the distance covered by the body. The distance covered by the body during acceleration. I told you at the beginning of our channel that we'll be looking at WAEC questions, JAM questions, various questions, past questions. This is a WAEC question from 1992. Okay. It says the body accelerates uniformly from rest at the rate of 3 meters per second square for 8 seconds. Calculate the distance covered by the body during acceleration. Okay, the first thing you do is to write your parameter. Acceleration is 3 meters per second square. Your time is 8 seconds. And the distance, because it says distance covered. Distance is what? We don't know. Okay. Now, somebody might want to ask, how do I know the formula to use? The formula to use is determined by the parameters you have. Here I have meter per second square, which is acceleration. I have time and distance. I know from experience and from calculation that I cannot use first equation of motion. I can't. I have to use the formula that has distance. So the one that has distance is S equals UT plus half AC squared. Okay. S equals, and it says it is from rest, which means initial velocity is 0. Okay, so that's 0 plus half times 3 times, and the time is 8. The time is 8, which is 8 squared. And 8 squared means 8 times 8. Okay. So there's a 2-year 1, there's a 2-year 4. So S equals 4 times 8, which is 32. 32 times 3, which is 96. Which means it is the distance covered by the body during acceleration is 96 meters. The distance covered is 96 meters. Okay, another example quickly. Starting from rest. A Formula 1 car accelerates uniformly at 25 meters per second square. For 30 seconds. What distance does it cover in the last 1 second? What distance does it cover in the last 1 second? That's the first question. In the last 1 second of motion. And number 2 question says 17th second of motion. In our next video, we will solve this in our next video properly and do the explanation in our next video. Thank you.